Welcome to our tour, and we pray you are well and staying safe during these trying times. We have always used precautions, and now, leaving nothing to chance, we have safety protocols for all concerned. Join us as we tour this home. Beautiful lakefront 3-bedroom 2-bath home in the very desirable community of Stoneybrook at Gateway. Low HOA fees include cable and Wi-Fi, clubhouse, community pool, exercise room, tennis and more. The split floor plan offers a large and private master suite with spacious master bath featuring a separate tub and shower, dual sinks and a ceiling fan. The island kitchen is open to the family room with a gorgeous view of the expansive lake. Entertainment center with surround sound system will stay, and the furniture is negotiable. Relax in your hot tub in your screened lanai while you enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail looking out over the beautiful lake. Formal dining and living room provide space for entertaining. The garage has a screen that allows you to open the house and enjoy a nice cross breeze in the cooler months. Laundry room is right off the garage, and has a utility tub and lots of cabinets. The other 2 bedrooms share a full bath with a tub. Cellar